Hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and I am super excited to be starting off my Tag a Day series in November 2022. Today is day one, and I have several tags to show you for today. So let's get started. My first set of tags is actually for the Craft and Chemie Scrappy Challenge, which is anything but a card. I thought, how perfect is that to do some tags? So I used the Puppy Power stamp set, some old Bo Bunny crush paper, and then I used the My Favorite Things Tag Builder Blueprints 5 dies. I am loving this set for sure. So for those tags, made this cutie just for you. And I don't know if you can see it has that polka dot ribbon, which is my favorite ribbon of all time from Stamping Up. Just lots of little layers and little accents, and he's so cute. And then we had another one that was just for you. Just added all, I don't know. I just had so much fun with these. And then my last one for the Puppy Power was this little guy. So there were those three. Again, that was for the Craft and Chemie Scrappy Challenge. Anything but a card, which worked out perfect that I could do tags. And I used that Puppy Power stamp set and the My Favorite Things Blueprints Tag Builder 5. Everything will be listed below that is still available in case you wanted to check it out. For my official tag for today, I used the My Favorite Things Sunshine Friends stamp set. Used some Granny Apple Green ink and cardstock from Stamping Up. And then I used My Favorite Things Wildflowers 6x6 paper pad. And I used the Sunny Studio Build a Tag die number 2. So that was super fun. And this is my cute little tag for today, the official tag for today. Oh, and some Stamping Up ribbon there. So sweet. On the back, I put "You Make Me Smile," and then like you could write a little message if you wanted or whatever. I just think that little bear is adorable, and that tag turned out oh so cute. I think that I have found my new happy place. I can't even tell you how much I laugh and giggle and smile while I'm making these. Having the best time ever. So that is good. If you are new to my channel, I guess I should have said this earlier, but I'm so excited. If you're new to my channel and you're wondering what in the earth is she doing, in the description box below is a link to my intro video to this series to kind of tell you I'm planning on having a tag a day in November 2022, plus going to try my hardest to have a video, probably be short videos, every day sharing that tag and the supplies used and such. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the comment section below and I'll get to them as soon as I can. So there are my tags for day one of Tag a Day in November. Thanks so much for stopping by. I will see you tomorrow and have a fabulous day. Bye.